Alright, so now we are going to continue with the angles formed by the transversal. And I was going to write that down. So in the other video we talked about corresponding. This is page 21. Is that right? 20? This is page 20. I think it's 21. Okay, so here's what I'm going to have you do. Is we are going to fold it over so that we have some space right here to write the words. So go ahead and fold it over. Just like so. And we're going to draw a segment. We're going to divide the page into two parts so we can talk about the alternate interior and alternate exterior. Alright, and I'm going to rotate this, and I'm going to write the ones that we're talking about right now. So we're going to talk about alternate interior and alternate exterior. Those are the two we're going to talk about today. Alternate interior, alternate exterior. So far we've only done the ones that are same side interior and corresponding. So the word alternate, we're going to talk about that word in just a minute. And what we've already talked about interior, that's the inside. We're going to talk about exterior in just a minute. And we're going to talk about one of the strategies that we use. So I'll give you about 10 or so seconds to finish writing this. Then I'm going to rotate the paper over so we can talk about what the words mean. Alright, so here's what alternate interior means. Alternate means, in this context of geometry, means opposite. It's going to make an X. Same side was like this, they were across, okay, or they could be like that. This one's going to be opposite of it, okay? And interior means inside, between the two lines. So let's do some examples. So there you've got some lines. Okay, now what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to highlight the transversal. The transversal is the line that crosses two lines, that touches two lines. The W only touches this one. The G only touches this line. So can you tell me which one's the transversal? V, W, or G? Not W, because it only crosses one line. Somebody like Janine, can you tell me which one's a transversal? V. V is a transversal because it crosses both lines. See, it touches there and it touches there. It touches two lines from what we can see. Alright? Now, I'm going to have you circle the two groups so everyone's clear. This is a group. This is a group. Okay? The angles that we're talking about are angles that have relationships across groups, not just within the group like the ones that we already did, the vertical, the kissing birds, and supplementary. Those are together. These are not together, but we can still figure out their measures because of the special relationships. So the next thing I'm going to have you do is shade the inside. please shade the inside. And I'm actually going to set my headset down and walk around the room. I need you to shade the inside. I'm going to check your papers in 10 seconds. 9, 8. Shade the inside between the lines. 5, 4, 3. Make sure you shade the inside. Make sure you shade the inside. Good, good. The inside is between the two lines. So here are the two lines, and I'm going to shade the inside. Alright, so alternate interior is going to make like this X. So can you give me, Noemi, an angle in the inside, please? Where I colored, where I did the shading. One of the letters in the inside. Okay, wait, just one. Okay, there's B. Now it's going to be the opposite, so it's going to make an X. So if I make an X, it's going to be angle F. That is the opposite. It's going to make an X. Okay, and then the other one would be which one, Gregorio? Just tell me one letter. G, alright, and if I make an X, it's going to be exactly. These are the opposite ones. So that was angle B, and angle F, angle C, and angle G. It's going to make an X. Alright, an X like that. Are we ready? Okay. Alternate exterior is very, very similar. Alternate still means opposite. Exterior is the outside. Alright, so we're going to highlight the transversal. So we'll make this one F, B, M. Can you tell me which one, Yatesy, would be the transversal, the one that touches two lines? F, B, or M? That's the one that touches two lines. So let's color the inside, please. Here are the two lines. You're going to color the inside, please. Shade it with your pencil. Remember, I've got highlighters up here, so you can borrow if you don't have some. Alright, then we're going to do the outside. Victor, can you tell me an angle on the outside, please? 4. We're going to make the same X like we did before. Emily, can you tell me what would be the opposite of 4? It's going to make it 8 would be, but again, 8 is actually something else. 8's inside. 7 would not make the X. 3 would make the X. Because we cannot do the ones inside. Inside are the ones that we're not doing. Okay, so let's just say we did 2. Angle 2. Kashindi, do you know what would be the alternate to angle 2? If I made an X. Say again? Exactly. Again, they make like an X.